All right, so have this garbage disposal at my sister-in-law's, and uh, it wasn't working. I had cleared a jam from it, and it started leaking from an area that it shouldn't have been leaking from. She contacted her landlord. Landlord contacted their homeowner's insurance place or whatever, and guy came out and said, "Oh, it's not leaking and it's working fine, so everything's fine." I'll have some pictures that I can attach to this video a little bit later. Right now, I have both the sinks clogged up with water, so we can do a pull test and see if I can get the leak to happen again, since he obviously just ran some water and said, "Oh, it's not leaking." So let's give this a shot. Water's draining. Good drain speed. Nothing in the pan, so that's lucky. And we're going to reset and do it all over again just to make sure.